Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on firewall setup. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. Certified ethical hackers use this method daily. Security professionals use these methods in real-world scenarios. Common mistakes to avoid when working with firewall setup. Performance optimization tips for firewall setup. Understanding the core concepts is crucial. Advanced techniques that separate beginners from experts. Best practices for implementing firewall setup in production. Legal and ethical considerations you must understand. Resources for continued learning and skill development. Let's start with the fundamentals of firewall setup. Let me demonstrate the actual commands and techniques. Now, let's explore the practical applications. Pay attention to these important details and best practices. Community support and where to get help. How firewall setup fits into the broader cybersecurity landscape. Career opportunities and certifications related to firewall setup. Here are the step-by-step procedures you need to follow. Troubleshooting common issues you might encounter. Let's look at some real-world examples and case studies. Integration with other security tools and frameworks. Industry standards and compliance requirements. To summarize what we've covered about firewall setup, you now have the knowledge to implement this effectively. Practice these techniques in a safe, legal environment. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Check out our other kali_linux_basics tutorials. Leave comments with your questions and experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.